Are you a parent or caregiver of a child with autism? Do you sometimes struggle with what foods to offer them? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to the ultimate guide to a healthy diet for autistic children. Many autistic children have specific dietary needs, so it's essential to provide them with a well-balanced diet. Let's start with fruits and vegetables. These should be a big part of your child's meals. Try incorporating a variety of colors to ensure they receive a range of essential nutrients. Next, lean proteins should be included in their diet. These can come from sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, and tofu. Protein is crucial for growth, development, and brain function. Whole grains are another essential part of a healthy diet for autistic children. Include foods like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa. These provide energy and support optimal brain function. Now let's talk about dairy and alternatives. Some autistic children may have sensitivities or allergies to dairy products. If this is the case, consider offering alternatives like almond milk or coconut milk. This ensures they still receive the necessary calcium and vitamin D for bone health. Finally, don't forget about hydration. Water is vital for everyone, including autistic children. Encourage them to drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support their overall health. Remember, every child is unique, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized diet plan for your child. Thank you for watching the ultimate guide to a healthy diet for autistic children. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. Stay tuned for our next video.